the realm of lacrosse warriors, I stand firm, fierce, and fearless. A stick slinging, net ripping, ground ball grabbing, goal scoring, shot eating, rip riding, bruise checking dirty bird. There ain't nothing I can't do. No sky too high, no field too rough, no game too tough. I seek out challenges and flourish in the face of opposition. My teammates rely on me to be resilient and unyielding against all odds. When knocked down, I rise unbroken, unwavering. I summon my deep results of determination to defend my teammates and achieve victory on and off the field. So who's feeling dirty? Then you better fly, because this dirty bird's been there, done that, is going back for more. Abandon self-embrace team. Skyridge on 3, 1, 2, 3, Skyridge.